welcome back to my channel Rapid Stylist. So today I'm really excited. You can understand by my face, right? It's because today I'm back with another challenge video, and today I'm going to create my whole face of makeup by using only one eyeshadow palette. And the palette I'm going to use to create this makeup look is my favorite palette. Alright, so this is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air. So I hope I can do it. What do you guys think? If you're interested, of course you are. You have to be, right? Keep on watching. Alright, my base is done. So for my base, I have used this Pond's BB cream. Of course, I can't use this eyeshadow palette to create my base. So now the actual challenge will be starting. So first I'm going to do my eyebrow. So for eyebrow I'm going to use this shade over here, darkest brown color. Alright, so my eyebrow is done by using this palette. So let's move on to our eyes. Okay, so first I'm going to use this shade on my crease. And my brushes are really in a bad condition. I really need to clean them. And it almost 15 days I didn't clean my brushes. I really love to do makeup. I love everything about makeup, but I hate cleaning brushes. Now I'm going to use this shade on the outer V portion. And blending with the previous color. Now I'm going to use this shimmer kind of shade on the middle portion of my eye. And blending it with the same brush. Now this shade I'm going to use as an eyeliner with the same brush which I have used for my brows. Same I'm doing for this eye as well. So after applying this as eyeliner, this is the look. Alright, now I'm going to use this same shade, this shade on the lower lash line. Now I can't use any kind of mascara, so yes, I can do one thing. I can apply some Vaseline on the spoolie. Then I'm taking the same shade, like this shade, with my spoolie. I don't know it's gonna work or not, but still I'm trying. And applying on my lash. Okay, it is some sort of replacement, you can say. Not a huge difference, of course, but yes. Not so bad though. Ignore my facial expression. It happens, I can't help it. So I don't know on camera you can understand the difference between both eyes or not, but yes, there is some kind of difference after applying this. Alright, so mascara done, completed eye look. So now moving on to my face contour, right? So I'm using this shade. This one shade is a lifesaver. This shade I'm using as a contour. Okay, so after contouring I'm using this shade to highlight some area like my under eye and jawline a little bit. To enhance the contour. Well, now for blush I'm going to use this shade over here. Now my favorite part, highlighter. So using this shimmer shade as a highlighter. Alright, so everything done. Now the last thing is lipstick. For lipstick, first I'm going to use this Vaseline. Alright, now I will be using this shade. So for apply the lipstick I'm going to use this brush, but let me clean the brush first because I have used the brush a lot today. Okay, so now it's clean. Oh my god, I I really love this look, especially the lipstick is amazing. Alright, so this is the final look. I am really happy with this. I didn't expect this. I love how it turned out. So what do you guys think? Hope you guys have enjoyed this one, because I really enjoyed a lot uh, while doing this. So if you really enjoy, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free and it will really encourage me to make new videos for you guys. And you can follow me on my Instagram as well, link you will find in the description box. And yeah, that's it for today. And on my next video, I will definitely show you how I clean my brush, because I badly need to clean my brushes. So yeah, stay safe. See you guys on my next video. Bye.